Okay, so we're going to try to test the audio part of the radio. And there's a little information here on the back. And that's right in here. There's two European style DIN connectors, I believe they're called, DIN connectors, here and here. One for the record player, and the other for a tape deck. And here it has some numbers, 3, 5, and 4, and 1. Ground shown at the top, and I think this is showing, now, you know, this is just pointing at the hole. So I believe what they're saying is 3 and ground is where you want to connect. Here. It says tape record playback. Tape record playback. Record playback. Record player. Record playback. What the heck is that? I guess they're using the word record in its general sense here for it. 1 and 3 are left, 4 and 5 are right. 1 is right, 3 is left. Okay, so that's the left and right. 1 and 3. And the signal in the middle. Okay, I got it. I got it. And sure enough, the connector has, that's a left and right, and that's the ground up there. Perfect. Perfect. Now I just need a signal to feed into it. So let's I'll feed in an audio signal from my signal generator. And it'll be on these wires. One of which is ground. Oh, I just saw a pretty curious mechanism there. Never mind what we're about to do. What is this thing? Well, that's a mighty weird looking thing too. It operates a switch down under there. That's a very strange guy there. Okay, but never mind that. We're going to connect this up. One to ground. And the other one on one of the two channels. Nice and easy to do. Now I need to switch this guy to, let's see, that's off. That's tape. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's just take a look at those buttons there. That's off. Funny button action here. I think that's on phono now. Okay, so our output from our generator is low. It's set low. My generator has a bit of an intermittent problem, so we can't be absolutely sure there's a signal there, but I can fiddle with it to make sure it's there. Radio is safe for operation. Yes, it is. Plug the power wire back in. And we'll let her rip here. Okay. Current limiting's fine. Full current. Now, we're on the B scale up around 1,000 hertz. The volume is down. Good show, Jimmy. It was not down, it was up full. Okay, we're going to assume the radio's warmed up. Boy, that's a quiet radio. Now we'll give it some tone. There it is. It seems awfully low. Because I've got the volume up. Yeah, listen to that. Something not right in the audio section of this radio. Let's try the other channel. Yeah. Okay, that should be just shrieking out of this radio at this point. Now, possibilities. Wrong buttons pushed. It's possible. So let's try another. These have strange combination buttons here. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. There, it's stuck. Doesn't stick right. It's definitely a switch problem in here. You know, even that could be causing all this. If one of these switches is failing to release properly. Little volume. Nothing. Okay. Let's see, off. Now that's a complete change. Should not get any tone. No, no tone, because I'm on one of the radio settings now. I'll go back to phono. Well, this makes me think there's a problem in the audio section of this radio. You know, I'm using a signal generator to put the signal in, and I can't swear to the level on it, although I think it's very high, in fact. But we should put a more normal signal into it. And how, pray tell, would I do that? I will do that with the wire. As soon as I find one, it's going to work for me. We're going to use this radio here as the signal source. Okay, a couple of clip leads, please. So the signal will come out on here. Even that shows that there's something wrong with the audio, because for a moment I had this wire disconnected and disconnected from the generator, ungrounded. It should have been a huge hum. Instead there was just a minor hum. So every indication is the audio section is weak. Okay, let's turn down the volume here. Turn on the radio.
And I can isolate lines from Disney movies, and you would say, oh.
Let's see what we got. Okay, so that's the volume turned full blast on the radio.
So you can isolate lines or read a transcript. I mean, if you read a transcript of the movie that this glorifies, organized.
So no doubt there's a problem in the audio section to get this kind of result. Let's try the other channel. So interestingly enough, we get the same sound, left channel, right channel. That's pretty helpful. Let's stare at this diagram again a little bit. So if it was any of this, we would hear a problem on one channel only. Now, where's the input for phono? Where's the phono input on here? You can't spot it. Yeah, I don't see it, but don't worry about it right now. Yeah, here they are. They're here. So I'm on right here. It's got to make it onto the grid of these two tubes here somehow, some way. That looks like a volume control in there. It's hard to see. And then this could be the signal wire here and here. Yeah, that makes some sense. So it should be fairly easy to find these locations here and be able to inject the signal right onto them. So I think that's what we got to do next. We gotta hunt down the problem in the audio section.